Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK areas. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you know, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, both a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, after the teacher say, what channel? Sing what you want, sing, say. We nah pay uno no mind. We see the egg farmer dancehall artist, flex, make a post. And he talk about the line that Drake used and mentioned the Gaza name. Now, viewers and subscribers, from them rise against the nation with batty allegations, we have to address the situation and not just why a fire for the renter dread them. You see it? Now there's a post saying that dreadlocks by the Supreme Court can now be banned by high schools. You know why? Too much renter dread in the island. And the Supreme Court realized. Now the line, viewers and subscribers, was an Arabic thing told me that I look like Yosef, look like Hamza. Abiti please, Anna Hakid, Inte, Wana Hakla. With Pop Skull and Gaza. But not that Gaza, but still it's a Maza. Now let's explain the line. Urban Dictionary, viewers and subscribers, has said that when something is a madness, as in crazy, and can be in a good or bad way. Abbreviated way of saying madness in the UK. Don't listen to these small-minded individuals. Remember, Popcorn and Drake are linked. Right now, dancehall music and a Popcorn camp, them are why everything. Drake know better than to state any controversial lines and add Jamaican names to the mix. Remember, this was a track for the UK drill scene. You can't talk nothing shaky over there. Them know you didn't deal with no shakiness. Now for people who are wondering what the Arabic meanings for those statements were, well, Habiti please means my love, my bae. And when the verse started, he said a girl asked him for a wheel in the booth. She never had drill in Atlanta. She didn't talk to the ladies at that moment in time. Wana Akid in here, Akla means literally you and me are better. Loose translation. Some people say even that line in the track was just there for the rhyme. When they must say, yo, the cat them must say him look Arabic. And they must say, alright, you know what I mean? Easy, baby. The mother say, look Arabic, you know what I mean? Me good. And, you know, that's a rhyme. But me notice when them can't, is that thing that dancehall music too, you know? When somebody can't talk nothing lyrical, and them not have nothing to say about you, them write some talk about. Them write some of them talking. These statements have no merit. And see it? We have the receipts. I'm going to say, I'll foot hyper chime in. What is Cassava piece and the whole gully side link there for link up again? Or Footer try to run into mouth? And they said it reach a point the Footer try to run into mouth now? No do nothing. We had no cares. We already stated this. One, Mouth can't against Drake. See? Mouth can't against Drake. Him not have we that said the notoriety. Drake are one of the artists that will help put him film career overseas too as well. Remember, long before a DJ Khaled and Mov, a the Drake and Mov link. Remember that. So some people are saying it don't have nothing to do with the money for the library and nothing like that because they need to refurbish one place and put some used computer in there and they may do a thing with the money. So we don't know what transpired with the money, but maybe the whole shadiness or the transaction and how the funds were, spent and whatever the case may be. And then over the years now, remember him and Popcorn is a link and then them the jumper. Drake did busy at the moment. So all them they do I make certain statements and certain comments and things like that. He never really he never express himself in a lyrical content in any track. So now I think get an opportunity to do that. He might do just that. Flex them. We know say Flex stop make music. We know he might deal in egg farming. And as I would say, entrepreneurs are moving our country forward. So, you know what I mean? But now that he's no longer a DJ and now an egg farmer, him for low dancer. He no vlog, he no do music. Him opinion not really that valid in the dancehall music currently. Without a hit song, you can't make a statement about a hit song and then I try to draw these allegations. Why food on the lifestyle? Remember, you sell body food, you sell egg. Load that something there. Leave that something there out of dancehall music. It's the it and the hip hop clash. We need to load that out of dancehall music and move the genre forward. You think this is a way to move the genre forward? So we are one of the biggest genres of music going at it. All because of some third-rate artists. We not write them own song. We not have a hit song since the year start. We not put out an album since the year start. With them last album never made out. You feel like these are the people who feel tell people what dancehall music feel. Dancehall music now have nothing against hip hop. These youths nowadays, where I do music or I listen music are also fans of these hip hop stars, and so are they. Don't make Mov chicken. Don't make Mov go over there, get censorship, a party rapper them and I tell Uno say rapper do this and rapper do that and rapper say this and rapper say that. Him know say rapper say and do these things over there par with them. See my swing spliff with Snoop and I will tell me things about people. You feel like I remember you Snoop and Papa swing spliff. Yeah, Papa have to in there mix too. I say something go. You know what I mean? One Gaza nation out there. But you know the something go. You did what you did and I saw. We not gonna be biased. We don't know where that sell. But Move like the talk like Ray. The renter dread them a try overpopulate you. That's what I want. And you know the problem with the renter dread. A renter dread pretends to support our ideas or the idiom of what we are dealing with, but at the same time live the opposite lifestyle. So when you hear Mova say one thing, him actually live the opposite. And his whole image and persona is based upon that. Based on how we know, because watching when Buju made that transition there and grew the locks on him head, him decides to watch the music, the tempo of the music, certain aspects of the lyrical content can be considered dancehall, but I am now a reggae superstar. Them other youth and they make a transition and them claim to them go through a spiritual journey. So you locks up your head and I sing about the same thing and I live the same lifestyle and move the same way. You have not grown spiritually. You rust up your head for try use that as a style. That means he's a renter dread. And all of them are renter dread. From the egg farmer go straight cross. From the egg farmer to the barber to alka fish to Namil. These are all renter dreads. And you know what I mean? As I say, Jamil as a Spain you go each up around them youth there. Him should have know better. Spaniard no go man yard. Him should have know better. Frightened for your house for me true. Go up on it. I just retain a wall him see and right away. MVP him sign on fan. How you do it as a Rasta artist, because align yourself with renter dreads. How long you go relax and I say a Rasta thing you deal with. Say something go still. No do for the fame. But flex. Try know say what you go on. This will not be your entry into the dancehall scene. Focus on your entrepreneurial adventures where you deal with now. You know what I mean? Yeah. If you make your millions off an egg, make your millions off an egg. And don't try mix Gaza Nation name in no craziness. You know no mazza. Don't try mix it. You know no craziness viewers and subscribers. No. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you now that you click the subscribe icon, yeah, then the bell icon right after that, and put it on all. And that's so now you're going to be notified when our fresh content is uploaded right here on the platform. Like icon is in close proximity, as I pointed out. Share icon is in close proximity to the like icon. So share the vlog. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. Join the discussion. Check out the reasoning. Comment section is always open 24/7, never locked yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions, dear viewers and subscribers. Flex them and try and make some talk or try rise against Gaza Nation with crazy allegations. We will not have it. We have to set the record straight. Vice to the one called Jayden, she's a dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. Yes, I'm reminding you now, our move settings fam, and we don't need no ladder and my sentiments for you and yours that want to live, love, and prosper.